Small business owners, you are already failing in 2025. My name is Paul Vasquez with Tax Lab. We help people save tens of thousands of dollars in taxes and increase your wealth generating opportunities. How are you failing as a business owner in 2025? Well, for some of you, it's in your bookkeeping. Some of you who maybe set a New Year's resolution to do your bookkeeping, we're coming up at the end of February. And if whatever method you chose to get your bookkeeping done right in 2025, look back. Have you done your bookkeeping like you said you were going to do? Is it done well? Is it done right? Now, if you have been doing a great job with your bookkeeping, you have been inputting those receipts, tracking those receipts, numbering those receipts, keeping a good log, putting the ins and outs where they need to be, tracking customer payments, the whole slew of it, congratulations. Now you could probably pull up a profit and loss statement, review that on a monthly basis, as well as taking a look at that balance sheet and making sure that you don't have a negative inside basis. You're probably great with all that already. Oh, and don't forget some of you business owners who live in a county where they charge business personal property tax. Of course, you've got all your business assets and inventories accounted for correctly for the county that you live in. You got it covered. Congratulations. And of course, you've got that BOI filed last year, and you don't have to worry about getting it done before the March 21st deadline. You got it covered. Here at Tax Lab, if you're off on any of those metrics, we can help. It's what we do. It's part of the services that we provide here. So oftentimes what we want to do is first get you into a comprehensive consult. This is going to help us understand where you are right now. You see, they say the shortest distance or the fastest way or to travel between any 2 points is a straight line. But if your goal is up here, and you think you're starting from here, but it turns out maybe you're starting from here. If you think you're up here and you track that straight line to the goal, and it turns out you're actually down here, when you apply that path, you're way off base. So we want to get you that comprehensive consult so we can understand where you're starting from. So when we create that plan to where we need to get to, it's more accurate. And it can more likely get us to where we want to get to. And so we want to get that comprehensive consult. What we also find out is the level of bookkeeping that you might need assistance with, payroll, any of these other accounting tasks that are kind of required to figure out how to get from point A to point B. Because if you don't know where point A is, if you don't know where you're starting from, it's hard to get to where you want to go. Go ahead and go to lab.tax, click on advisory services, get your free 15-minute introductory phone call. That's going to help us establish if advisory services are right for you, if there's a need. But there's still time to get back on track. You haven't gone so far into 2025 that with a little bit of effort, we can't get you back on track. Let's get you back on track. Let's have a successful 2025. We want to be here to help. I wish you guys all the success.